Who's the greatest soccer player of all time? Messi or Ronaldo or Pele or Maradona?
I'm going to make, in this question.
Is this going to be a political answer?
No. I will tell the truthful answer because the
So it's
truthful
Messi.
answer.
Okay.
It is. It's been interesting because my son is a big Cristiano Ronaldo fan. And so we've had to watch El Clasicos together, with that dynamic in there. I so admire CR7's. I mean, I've never seen an athlete more committed to that kind of excellence. And so he's one of the all-time greats. But, for me, Messi is it.
Yeah, when I see Lionel Messi, you just are in awe that humans are able to achieve that level of greatness and genius and artistry. When we'll talk about AI, maybe robotics and this kind of stuff. That level of genius, I'm not sure you can possibly match by AI in a long time. It's just an example of greatness. And you have that kind of greatness in other disciplines, but in sport, you get to visually see it, unlike anything else. And just the timing, the movement, this is genius.
I had the chance to see him a couple of weeks ago. He played in San Jose, so against the Quakes. So I went to see the game. I was a fan had good seats, knew where he would play in the second half, hopefully. And even at his age, just watching him when he gets the ball, that movement, you're right, that special quality. It's tough to describe, but you feel it when you see it. Yeah.
He's still got it.